Concern about unused screw holes in dry receptacle covers is valid, especially in modular homes. Although the assembly might be underwriters' laboratories listed, consider the potential effects of these holes, particularly in moisture-prone areas. In modular homes, dryers reside in utility rooms or closets that can get humid. Water seeping into the electrical box through unused screw holes creates safety hazards. Firstly, electrical shock can occur. Water conducts electricity, raising the risk of electrical shock if it meets live wires in the box. Secondly, short circuits can occur. Water bridges electrical connections, disrupting circuits and potentially causing fire. Thirdly, corrosion is possible. Water corrodes electrical components, leading to premature failure or malfunctions. To address these concerns, consider the following steps. 1. Seal the unused screw holes. Use silicone caulk or similar sealant to seal the unused screw holes in the receptacle cover, preventing water from entering. 2. Inspect the cover regularly. Check the receptacle cover periodically for damage or water infiltration. If water is found, seal the holes immediately and contact a licensed electrician for inspection and repair. 3. Consider alternative covers. If the concerns persist, consider a receptacle cover without unused screw holes, or one offering better moisture protection. It is also advisable to contact the manufacturer of the receptacle cover. Inquire about their recommendations and precautions for use in modular home environments. In conclusion, although the dryer receptacle cover might be underwriters' laboratories listed, addressing the concerns about unused screw holes is important. By sealing these holes, inspecting the cover regularly, and considering alternative options if necessary, you can ensure the safety and proper functioning of the electrical system in the modular home. This maintains the integrity of the electrical system by preventing water from causing electrical shocks. Ensuring proper installation helps prevent electrical shorts, which can lead to safety hazards. Also, routine maintenance prevents corrosion within the electrical boxes of a modular home. We remember that prevention is cheaper than repair when it comes to electrical maintenance. Sealant creates a waterproof barrier protecting the electrical components from moisture. Regular inspections can catch small issues before they become major problems. Addressing these concerns not only protects the property but also safeguards the health of residents. Following best practices is the best way to ensure optimal performance of the electrical system. Always follow NEC standards. Always disconnect power before any electrical work. In residential settings, dryer circuits usually require a dedicated 30 amp circuit. Make sure wiring is correct based on the NEC. Consult NEC Table 310.15b16 for opacity. Always use certified electrical components. All work must be inspected. For this type of receptacle, make sure it is installed on a dedicated 120/240 volt circuit. Ensure proper grounding to prevent shocks. Modular homes should be inspected for electrical safety compliance. Consider the environmental conditions in the installation location, such as temperature and humidity. The home inspector plays a crucial role in detecting potential electrical issues. Proper maintenance ensures that the electrical system operates efficiently and safely. Replacing outdated components with newer models improves reliability. Consider installing ground fault circuit interrupters for added protection. Be sure to address the concerns of home inspectors. Follow manufacturers' guidelines for receptacle installation. Use appropriate tools for electrical work to avoid damage or injury. Electrical work should be done only by qualified professionals. Ensure proper wire connections to prevent loose connections and arcing. It is important to protect the electrical system from external elements. Consider local codes and regulations to ensure full compliance. Always use high-quality materials for electrical installations to promote longevity. Document all electrical work done for future reference and maintenance. Sealing any unused holes with sealant is a simple way to increase safety. Remember that small investments in safety now can prevent major expenses later. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing electrical hazards. Electrical safety should always be a top priority in any home. Correcting potential hazards keeps the electrical system running smoothly. Ignoring small issues can lead to big problems over time. Make sure to regularly review and update electrical safety measures. It is wise to implement safety checks in the home regularly. The electrical system is one of the most critical systems in a home. Maintaining its integrity is paramount for resident safety. Always address any concerns about electrical safety promptly. Ignoring even seemingly minor issues can have severe consequences. Following electrical safety standards ensures a secure living environment. It is crucial to comply with all electrical codes and regulations. Remember that safety is not expensive, it's priceless. By addressing potential issues early on, significant problems can be averted. Proactive measures can help prevent accidents and ensure a safe living environment. Remember that taking the time to inspect and maintain electrical components is a simple way to make a significant difference in safety. Prioritizing safety creates a safer and more secure home. Also, do not forget to check the voltage levels to ensure stability in the receptacle is within acceptable parameters. Make sure the voltage in the home does not exceed 240 volts at any time. The voltage should never exceed 240 volts as the receptacle is rated. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage and current. Be sure that the voltage does not exceed 240 volts as this can potentially damage the appliance. If the voltage exceeds 240 volts, contact your local electric company immediately. High voltage levels can pose a fire risk and safety threat. Ensure the electrical panel is properly labeled for each circuit. Proper labeling can help quickly identify circuits. Consider installing surge protection to protect electronics from voltage spikes. Replace any damaged or frayed wiring immediately. Worn wiring can cause short circuits and electrical fires. Use the correct size wire for the electrical load to prevent overheating. Overloaded circuits can cause fires and damage appliances. Proper wire sizing is critical for electrical safety. Use wire connectors to ensure secure connections between wires. Loose connections can cause arcing and electrical problems. Ensure proper grounding for all electrical outlets and appliances. Grounding protects against electrical shock and equipment damage. Use electrical testers to check for voltage and continuity. Testing tools can help identify electrical problems safely. Always follow lockout-tagout procedures when working on electrical systems. These procedures ensure that power is disconnected before starting work. Always use personal protective equipment when working on electrical systems. Equipment such as gloves and eyewear provide protection from electrical hazards. Keep the electrical panel accessible and clear of obstructions. A clear panel allows for easy access during emergencies and maintenance. Avoid overloading electrical outlets by using too many devices on one circuit. Overloading outlets can cause overheating and fires. Use power strips with built-in circuit breakers to protect against overloads. Circuit breakers can prevent damage from excessive current. Consider installing arc fault circuit interrupters to protect against electrical fires. These interrupters detect dangerous arcs and shut off the circuit. Educate residents about electrical safety practices and hazards. Knowing how to prevent electrical accidents is crucial. Keep electrical cords away from water and heat sources. Water and heat can damage cords and create hazards. Never use extension cords as a permanent wiring solution. Extension cords are intended for temporary use only. Replace any damaged or worn extension cords immediately. Damaged cords can create shock and fire hazards. Unplug appliances when not in use to save energy and prevent electrical hazards. Unplugging reduces the risk of electrical problems. Use only approved electrical components and equipment. Approved products meet safety standards and regulations. Ensure that all electrical work is performed by a licensed electrician. Professionals have the knowledge and experience to do the job safely and correctly. Consider using a home automation system to monitor and control electrical usage. These systems can provide energy savings and enhance safety. Inspect and test smoke detectors regularly to ensure they are functioning properly. Smoke detectors provide early warning of fires. Plan and practice electrical safety drills with your family. Knowing what to do in an electrical emergency can save lives. Keep a fire extinguisher readily available in case of an electrical fire. Extinguishers can help contain small fires before they spread. Avoid using water to extinguish electrical fires. Water can conduct electricity and worsen the situation. Consider installing a whole house surge protector to protect all electrical devices. Whole house protectors guard against surges entering the home. Maintain records of all electrical work and inspections for future reference. Keeping records helps track maintenance and identify potential problems. Stay informed about the latest electrical safety standards and regulations. Staying current ensures that your electrical system is up to date and safe. Remember that the electrical system is a vital component of a safe and comfortable home. Proper installation, maintenance, and safety practices are essential. The information given here can help you protect your home. Remember, electrical shock can be fatal. Follow all safety guidelines. Remember, electricity is powerful. Respect it. This information is for general purposes only. Always consult with a licensed electrician. They can provide tailored guidance for the specific situation. Electrical codes vary. Always comply with local regulations. Addressing potential issues proactively promotes a secure environment.